tectonic shift. Shaping the future with innovation.
Welcome back viewers. In this video, we will learn how OpenAI has trained ChatGPT. So as you can tell, these large language models are large. They do use complex neural networks, but as I mentioned before, the idea behind such neural networks is to feed in data and then get output data and then to optimize the neural network by simply checking if that output data makes sense. And that brings up one of our question. What exactly was that data that was used for training? And the answer is, well, everything. Basically, the entire publicly available text data from the entire internet. So not just the English language, but all kinds of languages, which also explains why ChatGPT can be used for translating text or for asking questions in non-English languages. And therefore, of course, since basically the entire internet text was used, ChatGPT of course knows a lot of patterns and received a lot of input data. Though I will of course say that some parts of the text available in the internet were removed from the training data to reduce the danger of these GPT models to produce or generate malicious or dangerous content. So, a lot of training data was used, but it's worth knowing that for training those models, it were actually not the human readable words that were being used for training, but instead these words were translated to so called tokens, where every token has its own unique ID. Now, these tokens aren't necessarily always entire words. Instead, you can roughly say that 75 words can be broken up into around about 100 tokens. And it's these tokens and their IDs that are being used as inputs for these neural networks. So, to train these models, these large language models, technically there are more transformations and things going on behind the scenes, and that's really not too important for this course. And for using ChatGPT instead, you will also see later it's just important to be aware of this token concept. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for many more exciting videos by subscribing to our channel. Bye bye.